we interrupt your program to say something that is a potential threat to us. A paper-like being has been spotted in your area and is murdering people. Here's what it looks like. Stay on alert. It attacks at night. The way it murders its victim is by teleporting behind it and climbing through the pelvis and out from your mouth and destroys your insides. To avoid it, make your room as bright as possible and stay quiet. It hates bright areas and hates quiet. It will leave because it is blind and it senses you from sound. When you are its victim, you will hear an ear-piercing screech. If you can't make your room as bright as possible, your best hope is to run. Also, you will be the only one to hear it, and it will teleport behind you after a minute. We are opening some shelters in each country. If you can't get there in time, there will be no way of stopping it attacking people outside the shelters. We wish everyone good luck and make it to the shelters before the next sunset. If you can't get there, preparetto die. We will now sign off. We hope Eve Ryan can reach the shelters and hope the death toll isn't massive.